crazy skyline in the background. This came from a flight from Beijing. Gonna go exploring now, go to Thailand, have a lot of seafood, maybe have a swim, we'll see, explore a bit, but first jump on this boat here for like an hour and arrive there, and I will see you when we arrive. Just gonna show you some nice background here. See you later. Totally amazing. Just getting off the ferry here now, walking the gangplank here to go over to the other side. Very nice when you enter the ferry here, come to the island, you see in the background all these nice little kind of fishing boats, and you're looking down here. You see we're gonna walk along the water here. It's gonna be some nice views and let's find some food, but I'm starving. It's like 2:30 in the afternoon, only had some airplane food, so definitely looking forward to that. So gonna walk here and see you very soon at the restaurant. Yeah, this is what I love the most. Just walk around here, you have all this place to sit outside and eat. Just gonna find somewhere. People are biking in the background. I get very careful to sit near the water somewhere. Just gonna walk a little bit more. It's gonna be fantastic. Here we have some interesting dried fish in the background. Maybe I should try some. And I think I'm gonna sit down somewhere around here next to the water. See what they have on the menu. Normally you can kind of pick the fish yourself in the background. You can just pick ones that suit your flavor, but we'll see what we can find. I'm sure we're gonna find something very nice. Here in the back you actually pick your own stuff and buy fish and bring for them to cook. I've done it once before on another island. We will do it later on the weekend, we'll see. But I think I'm gonna walk around here and just pick something on the menu first. Okay, so I found the place here and you can actually see the menu here in the background, the different prices. Definitely pick something amazing here. Wow, now we're getting the food in the background. Fish and broccoli, and also the salt and pepper, I think squid. Look, it's insanely good. Here I think we have the final dish. Ooh, that is looking crazy good. Wow, actually we have one more dish. That is looking crazy good. As you can see, this is looking like a total feast in the back, and we have the shrimp and we have the broccoli. Get some nutrition in there. We got a lot of shrimp with the curry, get the scallops, we got the fish. So let's dig in. It's gonna be totally insane, I'm sure. Okay, so first up we have this squid. Actually I think it's like salted. Looks very crispy. Gonna dip it a bit in the sauce here. Ooh, that is looking insanely good. Let's try. Sweet and sour. I think if you have Chinese food in Sweden, you get some sweet and sour like this. Not so typical for the rest part of China, but south you have some sweet stuff. Okay, let's try the next one. Let's try one of these fishes. Looking very interesting. I have never tried this before. Let's have a bite. We have a lot of cool spices. I think like onion, interesting stuff. You see the whole head, of course. Let's have a bite. A bit fatty. Interesting taste. Definitely very healthy. Okay, next up we have this whole scallop here with garlic. Looking insanely good. You have some nice glass noodles. Gonna dig in, let's try it. Definitely not so easy to eat. Let's try it here. We're having a try a bit of the glass noodles first here. Looking very nice. Garlic, wow. Then you have a huge actual scallop here. Wow. I never really ate this when I was in Sweden, but this is amazing. Jumbo scallop. Oh, it's fantastic. I just love the mix with all this garlic and glass noodles. They really know how to cook the food here. Okay, let's go a bit healthy here. We have some broccoli with some garlic, I think, as well. Good to mix it up a bit. Okay, finally we have some nice curry shrimp. Not many people know this, but you have actually a lot of really nice curry here in Hong Kong as well. Let's have a little bit of a scoop here. Potatoes, love potatoes, and a shrimp piece. Let's have a try. Wow. Fantastic. I think a lot of people maybe think about India when they hear curry, but they have it in Japan and also here in Hong Kong. Totally incredible. And yes, I eat it with the shell as well. I'm definitely weak for potatoes, definitely when they're dripping this nice way. Let's have a bite. That is so rewarding, especially after not eating, and it's like 3 p.m. and we have some nice onions here as well. Incredible. Yeah, let's just have a little bit more of this dip in the sweet and sour sauce here. Amazing. And then just one more of these crazy fishes here. Let's bite the head. Yeah, I'm gonna take my time and enjoy this amazing, incredible, massive meal, but no problem, didn't eat so much earlier. Gonna walk around, maybe go to the beach, take my time to see you a bit later. So after that pretty insane meal, as you clearly could see, it looks kind of like a mayhem with all the dishes in the background. Yeah, of course, and bikes everywhere here. I'm gonna take a bit of a walk to digest it, maybe fly the drone, and then we're gonna see if we can find the beach. Definitely a lot of cool stuff you can see here. This guy's bringing out the dried fish here in the background. I think I will skip that. I had enough fish for now. Definitely some other interesting stuff here as well. Eggs with sausage and a lot of mixed dry stuff in the background. Yeah, I think I will skip that. A lot of cool small alleys you can walk around in and find stuff everywhere. Even have some hardware stores here. It's like sawing something at and boo in the background. You can buy a lot of beach stuff. So I'm gonna see if I can find the beach. Maybe that's a sign. Just gonna walk around there, enjoy some of this sights on the way. Very sweaty, as you clearly can see here. So I think I definitely need to swim. Okay, so after some walking, I'm pretty sure I've spotted the beach in the background. Let's go and check it out. Very nice murals in the background. It says fortune there. Fook. Definitely very fortunate to be able to go here. Not so many people on the beach. Maybe they don't like sunshine. A little bit more here on this side. But yeah, if this were in Sweden, there would be like people everywhere. Let's walk along the way over to the far side here and let's swim. Here we have a bit of a more secluded beach here. I think in the background, a lot of windsurfing going on here. Gonna go down and I think maybe swim out. Nice to avoid all the people. Here's a bit more cozy area. Finally got to the beach and got changed. There's a lot of kids here in the background, but we also have a very nice kind of bar restaurant area here. Highly recommended to come here if you want to chill for the bit. I'm gonna try to swim out here, I think, so I'm gonna put on the camera and let's go. Okay, that was brilliant reaction. 33 degrees, a few things. A nice day on the beach here. Yeah, let's get changed and move on. Yeah, that was definitely very enjoyable. Always nice with a bit of a swim. But now it looks like a bit cloudy here. And word it's gonna rain actually, so I'm gonna go back towards Central. It's gonna take probably an hour or so to get back. Then it's gonna be dark. Maybe we also have some time to explore. So just gonna walk around, enjoy a bit of the streets in the background, some of these coast areas, get on the boat, and we'll see what happens. It's just walking here next to the water and the sun came out again. Thought it was gonna rain, but you never know what's gonna happen. Crazy nice, just the sunset colors, really cozy here. Just gonna continue walking, enjoy this relaxation. Woke up at 4:15 in bed this morning. Now I'm on the beach in Hong Kong. Life is pretty interesting, that is for sure. Yeah, let's go down Central. Just saw this one in the background. Work hard, dream big. Definitely agree with that. Yeah, just came back to the ferry terminal here, but you see in the background this amazing food. We have this kind of duck and the pork and all this nice dim sum. But I had a big lunch, so I'm gonna save it. But this is definitely one of the best things in my opinion about Hong Kong. You're definitely gonna try the Cantonese. It was completely amazing. But I'm gonna be here a week, definitely try a lot of stuff. So just gonna jump on the ferry here and go back. Okay, so we're finally back in Hong Kong. Managed to get a very fast ferry sitting next to two Swiss guys here. Just enjoying the crazy background and the sunset here. You see the skyline in the background here. Really nice and quite famous. I see they also have two new buildings here. Just gonna walk a bit, maybe go up and check up the tram, go back to the hotels and get changed a little bit. Just gonna show you a bit of the night views here in the background. Really cool here in Hong Kong. But I think I'm gonna leave you guys with these amazing views here. I'm gonna continue the rest of the week here. So if you wanna see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.